In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Zoho Books to use for your business. Hey everyone, my name is Stephanie Smith and I am a Zoho Finance Partner at New Light Financial Solutions. Here at New Light Financial Solutions, we are on a mission to help demystify business finances as well as partner with as many business owners as possible to help them have a growing and more profitable business. Thank you so much for joining us on our YouTube channel today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Now let's dive in. To get started with Zoho Books, the first thing you need to do is sign up. So I would start by going over to Zoho Books website. You'll see you can sign up for a 14-day free trial. There's also the ability to explore a demo account. If you check out the pricing option, you'll notice that there are a few different plan options you can choose from. Depending on what you're doing with your business will really make the difference for what you sign up for. So take a look through the different features, things to note, bills, timesheets, you can have budgeting, custom domains. It really just depends on what you're looking for, as well as how many users you want on your account. So one thing I do want to point out is their free account is free for businesses with revenue of less than $50,000. So this is a great option as you're first getting started. Because I am a Zoho partner, you can sign up using my link if you'd like, and I'm going to drop that below the video. And if you use that link, you'll be taken to a page like this to get started, and you'll just want to enter your information. But I am going to start at the Zoho page. Click the Start My Free Trial. I'm going to enter my company information, an email address, our phone number, set yourself up a password. Select your country and your state. You have to agree to the terms and click Create Account. And Zoho is going to just do its thing and create an account for you. Note that you will be sent an email to verify your account, so make sure you go to your email and click the Confirm Account button within the next 30 days of signing up to verify your account. And then you'll be ready to set everything up. So here's the page to get set up. It's going to ask for your name, your business location, the state, your currency language, your time zone. I am in Georgia, so I am Eastern time zone. Let me change this. If your business is liable to collect sales tax, you should select this option and change it to yes. Otherwise, you can disregard it. If you are a service-based business, this might not apply to you, but if you're selling products and physical goods, this might apply to you. So make sure you select that option if it applies, and then click the Get Started button. And you can always change these options later on in your settings, so don't be afraid to do something wrong to begin with. And that's it. You've now signed up for Zoho Books. When you get to the screen, you'll get this nice welcome pop-up, and there'll be a button here that says Show Me Around. You can use this button to get a little tour of the system itself, but you are essentially ready to get started. Catch one of my next videos and I'll show you how to navigate the system, where everything's located, as well as how to set up your organization details, how to get your banking set up, and everything you need to know to use Zoho Books for your business.